long before I began running cameras in the cockpit. We were already roaming pretty far and wide in the Diamond Star. Command full good, RPM's good, oil pressure good, airspeed alive, and we're rolling. And here we go.
Yeehaw! Caribbean, here we come.
Meter up a little. Rolling back the calendar to 2016, with best buds Bill and Joe, we flew from California to Cuba, then crossed to Guatemala, and returned up the Mexican Pacific coast. You might ask, why Cuba? At that time, it just seemed to be the place to be.
Cuba's got so much music, so many kinds of music, all of it brilliant. It was inevitable that we would play here one day.
Hola, Havana. Buenas noches, mi gente de Cuba. Sorry about the boat. I know. Sorry about the boat. But I like this life. Yes, I do. Gracias, Cuba, por toda la música que has regalado al mundo.
The three of us are active in the Flying Doctors, helping provide free clinics in the U.S. and Latin America. So our primary purpose was to document the flight logistics for possible clinics as the U.S. began to open travel to Cuba. The Stones knew of the magic awaiting us, the music, and so much more. Welcome aboard. If you have an interest in flying GA to Cuba, and my goodness, if you can, why not? Here's our planning document with itinerary, budget, action list, and more, of course, as of 2016. We launched from the Truckee Tahoe Airport and finished the first day in Roswell, New Mexico. The next morning caused a short delay for freezing rain, so we visited a couple friends. 2 short days put us in northern Florida, and we readied our overwater gear. Hold on a sec. We need to mention here all the effort in advance related to U.S. and Cuba side logistics. After departing Tallahassee, we noticed a new NOTAM stating a broken fuel truck in Havana, so we diverted to Marathon in the Keys for a top-off. You might wonder what Cuban airspace and ATC is like, just like flying in the U.S. Customs and immigration? Also pretty easy and very friendly. Every agent had to show us their cell phone photos of, guess what?
Hola, Havana. Buenas noches, mi gente de Cuba.
And the Cuban people? Very helpful, warm, and friendly. With music everywhere. Next, a short flight to Cienfuegos on the southern coast. After several days of travel and then merriment in Havana, the quiet south coast offers a welcome kickback time. Always thoughtful, Joe often brings on these trips matchbox cars and beach balls for the children, and they love it. The airport opened early and empty, so we could get on our way. With no avgas in Cienfuegos or Havana, we need to stop at Matanzas for a top-off. We clear immigration outbound and get our own private boarding pass. I believe I can speak for Bill and Joe. If we get the opportunity to go back to Cuba, amigos, we're there. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. Thanks for flying with us.